Jump Desktop has been around for years, but in 2026, is it still worth using? Or are there better remote desktop apps out there? If you're thinking about buying it, here's what you should know before spending your money. Jump Desktop is a remote access application that lets you connect to your computer from almost anywhere. Whether you're working from home, traveling, or just need access to files on another device, it aims to make the process fast and simple. One of the biggest things people like is how easy it is to set up. You install the software, sign in, and connect your devices. You don't need to spend hours changing complicated network settings. Even beginners can usually get everything running without much trouble. Performance is another strong point. If you have a stable internet connection, the experience feels smooth. Mouse movements respond quickly, and the image quality is clear. This makes it a good option for office work, programming, creative projects, and even light video editing. However, your experience will still depend on your internet speed. Jump Desktop also supports multiple platforms. You can connect between Windows, Mac, iPhone, iPad, and Android devices. That flexibility is one of the reasons many professionals continue using it. Security is another area where Jump Desktop performs well. Your connections are encrypted, which helps protect your data while you're working remotely. That's especially important if you're accessing personal files or business information. Of course, it isn't perfect. Some advanced features may take time to learn. A few users also mention occasional connection issues, especially on unstable networks. And while the one-time purchase is attractive on some platforms, certain features or cloud services may require additional subscriptions depending on how you use the app. So, is Jump Desktop legit or a scam? From what we've seen, Jump Desktop is definitely a legitimate remote desktop solution. It has been trusted by individuals and businesses for years and continues to receive regular updates. Most user feedback is positive, with many praising its speed, reliability, and ease of use.